Hello class, this is Mr. Herman in a teapot, and I'm here to introduce the video for the poetry option 2 for your final project. This is a calligram. It's a pretty famous style of poetry that if you're more artistic, I recommend trying this style out because it makes for a great visual poem. So let me explain how you can make one. A calligram is a poem that creates a visual image by arranging text in a specific way. So you can find tons of examples of these online. This is Jimi Hendrix lyrics that are recreated to look like Jimi Hendrix. This is a poem called It's Raining that looks like rain. An example of someone taking a famous person's poem and turning it into a calligram is this Songs of Myself, Walt Whitman illuminated version. Walt Whitman's a very famous poet who lived in Philadelphia at one point. So there's versions where you can draw an illustration and then arrange the text, or you can make it a calligram in a specific design like this one. So the idea is that the design should have some sort of relation to the text that's being written. So the first step is to create a poem of your own. It could be a rhyming poem, it could be anything that we've learned so far. It could be more of a free verse type thing, but it doesn't have to rhyme, it could be shorter, it's up to you. Next, you can draw lines on a blank piece of paper, or you can use Google Draw to create your calligram. Otherwise, you can scan it, or you can just submit it to me by hand. And then you will write the actual words along the line that you've created. And you can erase the line when you're done. Or if you have a more artistic idea, that's up to you. But I would like to hang these up when you guys finish them because most of the time they look pretty great. And it's a great way to showcase your work as a poet. So you can find more examples by typing in calligram online. I look forward to reading what you guys and seeing what you guys have created.